Welcome to a healthier home with the fresh new look of AGIONTEX. Introducing DryLah, a well-designed moisture absorber to fit in any corner of your home. Designed in Singapore, a perfect size for a variety of spaces. Select from 5 different types of refills. The refillable container has up to 800 milliliters absorption capacity and it is reusable. Simply set up the sieve and pour in the beads. DryLah moisture absorber works constantly to absorb excess moisture, creating a healthier and fresher environment for you and your loved ones. DryLah, the #1 choice dehumidifier for every home.